trespassing leads to arrest. Here's the full story.
Caused the fight in there.
There's no fight. Nobody had any type of interaction between somebody putting hands on me.
Yeah. Spit on me.
Yeah,
so.
yeah.
I don't want to do anything about it. If she wants to trespass him, she's the head bartender. I don't.
Okay. Yeah, he just.
I
asked him to leave
valid.
the first couple times that he tried to start stuff, and he went outside, then came back in. He wouldn't go with it. So yeah.
And if I wanted to press charges, I guess I could. But being a higher power and higher being that I am, that I won't.
Are you okay?
No. When you get that answer, you don't expect it. Because you expect people to say, yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, I'm all right.
No, that just tells me that you're honest.
I'm more than honest and truthful.
Well, that's what honesty is being truthful. Do you have your ID on you by chance?
Why?
Because I'm just asking for it.
Yes, I do. You're asking for it?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know if you can leave your car here.
Can I move it?
I don't know. Are you intoxicated?
Yes. Can you move it? Because I was going to call an Uber and come back here tomorrow and pick up my car.
Okay. Well, I have to ask management here so that way they don't tow it. Because it's private property.
Go ahead and ask. But I probably won't be here when you show up.
Well, then they're probably going to tow it.
If they tow it, then I guess I'm going to have to pay the fee on it.
I guess you will. Hold on. We're not done.
Got your ID, boss?
Why? You asking them in there?
They want to trespass you from the business.
Why?
They don't want you to come
Because
back.
I got assaulted?
They don't want you to come back.
Why?
Because
They
they
have
don't.
that option. That's their
Why?
right.
Get your hands out of your pocket.
I'm grabbing my phone.
Still need to keep your hands out of your pocket. Do you
Okay.
have your ID?
Can I reach in my pockets?
Where's your ID at?
Can I reach in my pockets?
Where is your ID?
My ID's in my fucking pockets.
Which
Pockets or pocket?
Pockets. It could be in multiple, right? Because it's not in one, it's not in other, and then it might be in the third.
Okay.
Right?
It should be in a pocket.
Okay, but it might be
get
in
your
one
ID
third
out.
of the fourth.
Please get your ID out.
Okay, so now I can reach in my pockets, right?
And get your ID, yes.
Okay. That's my phone. And a lighter.
Can you put the fishing poles down, please?
Why are these fucking guns?
I'm not saying that
Oh,
they're
look, that's-
guns.
Those are cigarettes on my ID. Damn, I'm mistaken.
About
So what
that.
the fuck do y'all want from me?
Your ID. So
Oh.
that way we can trespass
So what if I tell y'all
you.
no?
Okay, listen.
What if I tell y'all to look me up? What if
Okay.
I give y'all a name and tell me to look me up?
Then that's fine too.
Alright, my name is William.
Why are you being so aggressive?
Because I'm tired of this bullshit.
What
Every time I go
bullshit?
out, there's some fucking bullshit around me.
We got called here.
Okay, bet. Now go fucking talk to the people that called you, not me. Matter of fact, I got stripped to catch. Right?
Okay,
Look,
no,
if y'all are gonna
no,
arrest me,
no.
arrest me.
Okay.
Don't walk away.
If
You're
y'all are
not,
going
you're
to,
not free to go yet.
I'm not resisting you. If you are going
If you
to
walk
arrest
away,
me,
that is resisting. Also, failure to
Because you
produce
told
your
me to not
ID
walk away.
is resisting.
find it. It's in there.
Okay. I got it. I got it.
You'll need to call for law enforcement, do a standby to get your vehicle too off the property, or else you're
Why?
trespassing then, because you'll be trespassing.
Because I can call somebody to come and get it.
Okay.
That's fine, but you
Do
can't
it.
without us here as a civil standby.
How long before your last intake of alcohol is it okay for you to come and grab your vehicle?
Well, if you come back after your trespass, then you're trespassing.
Okay, not if my property is on this property.
It's private property.
Okay, now that is my private property. How the f you gonna tell me I can't come and grab
What?
my own private property without grabbing top?
Because this is their private
Okay,
property.
but that is my property, right?
Then
This
why
is my
don't you
property.
call someone to come and get it?
This is my property,
Then
right?
call someone to come and get
Okay,
it.
so how long between my... Okay, if my private property is on somebody's property before they trespass me, how long can I come back before I can grab my own property?
Now, before we're done trespassing.
Okay, not
you.
now. Not
Before
now.
we're done
Why are y'all
trespassing.
trespassing me?
Because that's what they want.
Why? Let me talk to them. Let's
No,
me and
no,
you.
you're not going back
Ain't
inside.
no me and you.
You're
I'm gonna go back
not
inside.
going
I will
back
not
back
go back
inside.
inside.
Do
I will
not go back inside.
I will not go back inside.
Then where are you
I will
going?
not go back inside. I will not. Please do not touch me. Hey, excuse me, management. Can I
Hey,
talk to your manager,
hey.
please? No, okay, why not? I need to talk to your manager right now.
aggressive.
I need to talk to your manager right now.
Hey.
I need to talk to your
Hey.
manager right now.
Hey.
No, Paul, you ain't
Hey.
shit. I need
I'm-
to talk to
no,
your
I'm
management.
asking you very nicely.
I need to talk to your manager
One more
right
time.
now. One more time, boy.
Before
Put my
I-
ass in jail.
I don't want to put you.
Okay, I know, because I ain't doing shit wrong.
want to-
You know why? Because I had some gay ass try to push up on me. I'm being a disturb. Are you the lead bartender?
Paul, stop.
Right? Why am I being trespassed?
Because you got in multiple people's faces, you were yelling as people were talking, like you guys got into a debate, but you started like screaming at people multiple times. I told you to lower your voice,
No,
and
you
you
did
kept
not.
doing it. Yes, you did.
No, you did not.
Yes, I did.
First of all, no, you did not.
Yes, I
okay,
did.
as a matter of fact, and an actual instinct of this motherfucker's life, you did not.
I told you to lower your voice.
So you're gonna let Megan, the female that put her hands on me, go away free, right? You're gonna let a female who pushed me and put her hands on me go away free, right? But you're not gonna let the two dudes.
Just go inside.
No, ain't no go inside. I'm trying to talk to the manager.
Mr. Are you gonna sign this?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
You know why? Because I've been trespassing somewhere else for no fucking reason. The same motherfucking shit's going
Here's
on.
your ID.
All right, bet.
Vacate the property.
Nice night.
Yeah.
Now get off the property.
When can I come back and get my
Get
car?
off the
Y'all ain't towing my
property.
damn car.
Get off.
You're not towing my damn car. Matter of fact, I'll sign it. I'll sign it. Let me see it. Matter of fact, take me through everything.
You're trespassing from this property. You
For
cannot
what?
ever return.
For what?
It doesn't matter.
This property. Signature right there.
Bro, don't do it. I'm
my clipboard.
Y'all want my
I'm gonna
motherfucking signature?
No,
My
you're
life?
confused.
Okay, look. Go ahead, move your finger. Move your finger, right?
Trespassing, my name,
No, hell
my
no. I don't
star
want you to
number.
explain nothing because I can read. I ain't
You already
stupid.
asked me to explain.
Okay, so what about the person that put hands on me? Can I press charges against them? Can I
gonna
press
sign or
charges?
not? Are you gonna sign or not?
Can I press charges against them?
The same as they can press charges against you for spitting on them.
I didn't spit on nobody.
Okay.
There's no motherfucking fluids that came out of my body.
You want to sign
I
this
will
or not?
sign the paper. You don't need to hold the board for me to get a
I'm
signature.
right here.
You damn sure don't. Right? Can I read the board?
No. You had an opportunity, but all you want to do is yell.
No.
God damn.
Whoa, sir. Can I speak to your motherfucker? Can I speak to your sergeant? Bring your sergeant here right now. Yes, sir. Bring your damn sergeant. Bring your motherfucking upper right now. Bring your 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 upper.
Give me my pen.
Bring your upper right now.
Give me my pen.
No, hell no. Let me see the board.
Give me my pen.
Bring your upper right now.
Sir.
I want to talk to both of y'all's upper. I want to share.
I'm
okay.
right here.
Who are
The
you? What's your
sheriff-
position? What is your position?
I'm the senior officer.
Okay, let me see your senior officer.
I'm
right?
here.
Okay, so
There is no
what
one
about
else
the
here
Okay, the
but
person
me.
that assaulted me. The person that assaulted, I want to press charges.
Okay.
Okay, that's on
Sober
camera.
up, come back
Okay.
and
Hell no, ain't no sober up.
absolutely. Give me
I
my
want to
ink
speak
pen.
to your upper right now.
Well,
Bring
my
them.
chief is
Clock
not
on the
home,
radio.
and he's not
I don't care.
coming.
There's somebody that's higher than you
You can
on
come
the
and
clock
tell me.
right now.
No, there
On the
isn't.
clock right now, okay?
There
okay,
isn't.
so I know your ass ain't on the road without somebody in charge of you. Right? Bet. Bring him right now. Call him.
Give him the pen.
I won't give him the pen because he wouldn't give me the board.
Okay, but that's his property.
Okay, so is that. Y'all won't let me get that, right?
Yes, I will.
Bet. Give me the fucking board.
Then-
Matter of fact, call y'all upper right now and let me talk to them. Because this is bullshit. 100%. Bet. Call somebody. Why you walking to some fucking bar? What,
Give
you
me
want to
my
get a
ink
drink? No.
Give me my ink pen.
Suck my dick.
So what was the problem that he was causing in here?
Honestly, it was all of us right here.
No, honestly, we were just all hanging out. We all work in the service industry. And he like came up and was like, "Oh, it's perfectly fine to treat service people like shit. That's what we do."
Give me. You want to go to jail over an ink pen?
Bet. Let's see how far that goes in the fucking court.
Give me my ink pen.
Give me the fucking board.
Okay, first off, quit yelling and
Okay, I
spitting
want
in
to
my
press
face.
charges. I have not spit. I have fucking cotton mouth.
Okay,
all right?
well, back
I haven't
up.
spit shit. No,
Back
hell
up.
no.
Back
No.
up. Back up. Now give me my ink pen. All right?
Suck my dick.
Nobody's disrespecting you.
You're disrespecting the out of me. Give me the
Give me my
board.
ink pen.
Give me the board.
Give me my
No,
ink pen.
what? Did you pay for this?
Yeah,
Did
absolutely.
the company give it to you?
No, I
you,
bought
you
it.
paid for it?
Yes, I paid for that ink pen.
What are you, a fucking fat? Bro, look at you. Look how
Why
you
did everything
stand
go
it.
to the F word?
Because it's fucking real. That's the only reason why I'm in trouble, because I use the fucking F word.
No.
Right? Yeah.
And I was like, "Hey, man, like."
was saying it was
and then I
okay.
was like, "Hey, what do you do for a living?" He's like, "Oh, I build airplanes." I'm like, "Oh, well, how would you like it if you know?"
Yeah, I apologize.
It's a word.
I whoop a fat ass, no fucking problem. I fucking whoop a fat ass without fucking doubt. You want this fucking pen?
Give me my ink pen.
You want this fucking pen? Why you
Are
rolling your
gonna be
eyes?
a child?
I'm not a fucking child. I'm a grown ass motherfucking
Hand me
man.
my pen back.
Okay. So why don't you just leave?
I want to
If
press
you don't
charges
leave-
on Megan. Matter of
Listen,
fact, I want her
listen,
locked up for putting her hands on me.
listen.
Matter of fact, I want Megan. No,
If
ain't no
you don't-
listening. I want Megan
If
locked
you
up
don't
for
leave
putting
the
her
property
Okay.
right now,
I'll leave
then
the property,
you
but
will
both
be
y'all. Look,
arrested
hey,
for trespassing.
both of y'all gotta come to me. Both of
If-
y'all.
if-
Wait, y'all haven't even trespassed me yet. How the f?
You've been trespassing. You refuse.
So if you don't leave, I am gonna arrest you right now for trespassing. So leave. I am giving you the opportunity to leave.
Are there snook down there?
Please. I am giving you the opportunity right now to leave.
The business does not want you here.
Why am I the
So
victim?
you need to leave.
Why am I the victim?
Please
How
take
long
this
until I get out?
opportunity.
This is my local bar. I
Not
come here all
anymore.
the time.
Not anymore. You're not allowed back.
Why?
They don't want you.
Why?
Because
They
you
don't
caused
want you back.
problems.
I did not cause any problems.
Okay, right. Who are you calling?
I'm calling
You're
911.
trespassed.
All right.
Hold on. Hey, what? Hey, hold on. Why? Hold on.
You're refusing to leave.
This
hold
is
on. I'll get off the
trespass
phone.
afterwards.
I will get off the phone.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground right now.
Send me a couple more units. Taser.
Hey, don't tase me. I'm not doing nothing wrong. That taser ain't shit. That taser ain't shit. Hey,
Get
that
on.
taser ain't shit. Yeah, you fucking out. That
on the
taser-
ground.
That taser ain't shit to me.
Get on the ground.
That taser ain't shit. You ran out of battery, huh? Yeah, look. That taser ain't shit to me.
Get on the
Yeah,
ground.
look. Why I gotta get on the ground? Why?
Because you're under arrest.
Why?
Put your hands behind your back.
Why? I can't. I'm on a fence.
Get on the ground.
I love that Oriental fucking flavor. Why are you guys arresting me?
Because you're refusing to follow orders.
I'm
Really?
gonna press charges for assault against Megan.
At this point, you're the aggressor, buddy.
I'm the aggressor. You guys are fucking assaulting me. I should call
I am
911
asking you
right
to sit down.
now. Okay, I might sit down.
Sit down.
Okay, sit down. No.
Exactly.
I get charged with property.
Stay.
I will stay on the ground with my fucking feet. Yo, fuck you, asshole. Hey, fuck you, man.
Give me your other hand.
Yeah, suck my.
Give me your other hand.
Yeah, suck my.
Give me your hand.
Yeah, fuck you. Hey, why
Give
the
me
f***
your
you
hand.
tasing me?
Get
Why
Give
the
me your
fuck are you
hand.
tasing me? That taser doesn't do shit to me. You already know that. Ass crap.
Give me your hand.
Let me speak to you higher up.
Give me your other hand.
I can't.
Why?
Give me your
Why?
other
Huh?
hand.
See,
There
look.
you go.
Why?
Put
Look.
your hand behind your back.
Why? I can't. It's in my
behind your
fishing
back.
line. It's in my fishing line. It's in my. You. You fucking. I told you it's in my fishing line, right? Look. Right?
Pull
Did
your
I not
hand
tell
down
you?
now.
Did I not tell you it's in my fishing line? It's not. It's. Look. Why? Let me speak to you. Is that your higher up? Is that your higher up? Is that your higher up? Huh? Your fucking hand.
That's not gonna work.
Your higher up. Is that your higher up? Huh? Is that your higher up, huh? That's your higher up? That's your higher up.
You will be tased.
Hey, bet. I bet.
or you will
You
be
tased me
tased.
500 times. Let me talk to you higher up. Right fucking now.
It's on?
I fucking bet. They're gonna be off in a fucking minute. Yeah, you fucking ass little bitch. Ass little c***. I bet you was on a fucking weekend hiding from your goddamn wife. I bet you go to the fucking scene and look for fucking to crawl on. You probably underage fucking. I'm just trying to pull my pants up.
It's all right. Just calm down. We'll get your pants up.
Relax.
Hey, who are you, sir?
Relax.
What is your fucking badge number?
875.
875? That's it? What's your name?
Deputy Wynn.
Deputy Wynn. Who's your higher up?
That would be Sergeant Miley.
Sergeant who?
Miley.
Byron. Can I speak to this?
He's not here, sir.
Okay, where the fuck is he? What the
know
fuck are y'all doing? I'm still in
Trying
charge.
to get this fishing lure
Do
out
not
of your
reach for my
sleeve.
taser. Do you understand?
No, f you taser.
Do not resist.
I'm not
Stop.
resisting.
I'm trying to get this fishing lure out of your sleeve.
Man, get the fucking fishing lure out there.
Stay still so we can do this.
Yes.
Stay still.
Hey, look, push
Stay
back.
still.
I don't need
Sit
to fucking
still so we
system.
can remove this hook.
Y'all are interrupting my motherfucking lifestyle.
Stay still.
Man, f y'all.
Alright, we're good.
Look, y'all got it out. Bet, right? What are y'all two badge numbers? What is y'all two badge numbers? Right there.
We'll get that information.
Now, hell no, ain't no get that information. Give it to me right now.
Okay, 806.
Are you gonna stand up so we can pat you down, search you?
Absolutely.
All right. I got you.
Relax.
You,
No
whoa,
swelling.
other
got
way,
you.
other way,
Deputy's orders.
other f***ing way.
All right. Come on.
No, I said other way.
Just stand up. Jeez, it's not hard, man. Making it all good.
No, hold on, my legs up. I know, I stood up.
All right. Stop resisting.
You're breathing heavy. What? Oh, you've been here too long, huh? Huh? You wipe up. What is your name, sir? What is your name, sir? You. Sir.
Stop moving.
moving.
Stay still.
Stay still. What's your name, sir?
What are you talking about?
Stay still. What's your name, sir? What's your fucking badge number, officer? I'm asking. I'll break you quick. Stop resisting. Look, hey, give him
Stop resisting.
Give him to me. Give him to me. Let me go. Let me go. I'm with him. 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 Yes, let me go. Let me go. I'm with him. Let me go. I'm with him. I am with him. I'm with your higher up. Sir. Hey.
Well, if you were, you wouldn't be in the car.
Sergeant Miley? What's your name?
Pick him up, stuff him back in head first.
Is he still screaming?
Oh yeah.
Why didn't...
Kicked his way out head first out the other side.
After another 15 full minutes of the suspect resisting, officers finally make another attempt to get him in the squad car.
Ma'am, please.
Stop
Don't
resisting
hook my
and get in
leg.
the car.
Don't hook my leg. Get in the car. Be a nice guy. You've been nice.
I've been plenty of a nice guy. Yeah, exactly. You know, I've been nice, right?
No, you haven't been nice at all.
Stop.
Stop resisting,
I don't
William.
like being called William. I'm relaxed. Fine. Corporal.
William was charged with trespass after warning, resisting, disorderly intoxication, and criminal mischief. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.